Hi, Sean Huckster. Welcome to Random Toys. You may be familiar with my other videos of the Magical Little World series and the Mighty Max Rabbit Hole series and the Huckster Lab series. Tonight we're going to talk about some random toys. These are toys that don't really fit in some categories, like I love my dinosaurs, Magical Little Worlds. I love my Mighty Maxes, Mighty Max. I love the toys I make, Huckster Labs. Tonight I'm going to talk about something that's a little different, because these are toys, but these are fidget toys. Fidget toys are great for somebody like me who's always fidgeting. When the first Fidget Cube came out, man, I was on the Kickstarter. I was on that thing, and I have several of those. And since that began, fidget toys have become quite popular. And they're very helpful to me because, yeah, I need to fidget all the time. I'm constantly fidgeting, and it helps to have something in my hand to fidget with. It is better for people around me if they're quiet, but this is not. But these are great fidget toys. This is very similar to the original IBM keyboard keys. When I first moved to the US and I had my, believe it or not, IBM Pentium computer, I had a keyboard from an old IBM PC, and that thing clicked like a maniac. And I would be doing most of my work like from 12 to 2 a.m., writing games, creating things, driving my wife insane because that clicking was driving her nuts. So I had to get a quieter keyboard. But to me, there was nothing more satisfying than hearing that tactile click when you nailed a key down. So this is Clickies, Clic-kees, clickable collectibles. It's a 2-pack. You can tap to try. And this is from, hang on a second, let me find it. Goliath Toys 2025, fairly new. I wouldn't have known about this except I did see a review on YouTube. And to me, it looked like something I could really get my hands on. So you can create your own keycap combos with Clic-kees. Take them with you for endless clicking fun. Collect and connect. Will you find the limited edition? I don't know. I generally don't have luck doing those things. So it's in a cute little box. And there's one key exposed, but there's two in here. One is a mystery. The mystery Clickies inside. And so tonight I bought 3 of these. I was looking for them everywhere. I was told they could possibly be gotten at Walmart. I've never found them, but guess where I found these? Five Below. $5 each. Pretty good. I jumped online to try to find these, and these are like much more than $5. All right, let's get to opening. Not quite sure how. Like I said, this is the first time opening this, so I am going to look for tape, obviously, and cut tape, obviously. And you know what? I'm just going to open it because this is the tedious part you don't need to see. And behold the contents. So the first thing that happens is you can pop this cap off. This is the protective cap that keeps this clicky inside the box, even though you can tap and test it on the shelf. And we'll pull that little guy out. That's one. Put him over here. Kind of cute. I'll talk about him in a second. And then here's the mystery one. Very cute. All right. Let me push everything up a little or tilt my camera down. Let's tilt my camera down. And let's talk about it for a sec. The exposed one that came in the box. These are connectable, by the way. You can make a little keyboard out of them. Obviously not real keyboards, but the clickable feeling of this is absolutely lovely. And you got this new printing method that I see on Polly Pockets these days and other toys. This is not a soft plastic, by the way. These are fairly hard, but some of these have protruding pieces, which just kind of helps with the fidgeting. I kind of like that. This is like mint green and pink, and clearly a reindeer of some kind with a mushroom in the middle. Very kawaii-like, you know. And this one is very much some kind of, I'm going to say cat, dog. Oh, you know what? Because the strawberry ears point down like that, I would say dog. I would say puppy. And one of the things you can do with these is snap them together. And you can go. So that's going to be fun. When I get a bunch of them, I can just do like this. That's going to be cool. It also comes with this bag. And I was going to say, I assume this bag is a clip holder because it does say you can clip these onto things. And so it comes with a little tiny lanyard, sort of, with a carabiner kind of type keychain. So you can fit this on a backpack or a phone case or something. And let's look at what this is. I assume this is a collector's guide. So let's open it up and find out. Yeah, so this looks like it'll be a collector's guide. Let's see. Click-kees, collectibles, pop. Oh, you can pop the keys off and exchange them, interchange them. You can upward remove from pop, pull keycap upward to remove from base, and then press to put it back down, and click for endless fun. Endless fun and driving your family nuts, I'm thinking. Connect in any way you like. That's kind of cool. And then down here, you've got create your own keycap combos by obviously mixing and matching them. And you can attach them to a zipper or a belt or anything really. And colors may vary. Over here, here's what I was looking for. This is your collectibles guide, your collector's guide. So what we're looking for is the limited edition one here. Yeah, I don't know. So, oh, let me see what ones did we get. I'm going to quickly run through, and we did not get that one. I see that there are variations on each other. So I saw one puppy there already, but it didn't have the strawberry ears. So let's find out. Going up. Boy, there's a lot of them. Didn't get that one. We do have a reindeer of some kind, but it's got a mushroom in the middle. So none of these, none of these, none of these. Almost out. We did get that one. Yummy Berry. Okay, so we got Yummy Berry as the secret one. And we also got, there it is, Mushroom Deer. Those are the first two we got. And I'm going to put the guide aside because we're going to open two more boxes now. Okay, this one is Patchy, clearly, right? Patchy. And we're going to open up Patchy's box and see who Patchy's been packaged with. Patchy has been packed with Chocox Pudding. Clearly. And let's remove these from their package. Fun, fun, fun. And let's connect them and connect them together like so. And now, oh, now I can really annoy people. Okay, there comes with a carabiner. And I was thinking maybe the carabiners all had different colors, something different, but I think they may be all the same. So I'm just going to pack those aside and ignore them. And over here we have Starstruck. Clearly we have Starstruck. Okay, let's open up Starstruck and see who she's packaged with. Picnic Party, I believe. Let's double check. We definitely have Picnic Party. So that's who came with Starstruck, and let's pull those out. Pull off the cap. Let's get them out of here. So I've been kind of looking for these, as I said, and mostly because I do love to fidget. And I was really looking forward to these because I want to be able to fidget with these, but I have to kind of do it privately in my own little area because I don't want to subject anybody to that. I'm not taking this to my office, for example. I mean, look. Put a little thumb down there. And you know, if you place this one like so down further, you got more room for a thumb to come down. And you've got a little L shape, and the thumb can fit on this one, and your four fingers can fit like that. And if this isn't going to drive people crazy, I don't know what will. But you know, I've been looking for these for a while, and for a little while, I have this new series called Random Toys, and this is going to be toys that don't really fit into a category, but I love them anyway. So tonight, we're doing Clic-kees from Goliath, and 4 random toys. This is Sean Huckster. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.